I finished the row, so now we're going to switch to the next row and we're going to continue by making the bottom and the sides of the bag. So right now I'm taking the left piece and I'm putting the left thread through this bead and the first bead from this row. And now I'm putting a white bead on either side, doesn't matter, making the loop and putting the second thread through the loop. Now I'm going to put 3 white beads on the right side of the fishing line, on the right piece of the fishing line, make a loop and pull the left through the loop. And that's how you switch to the next row. Now I'm going to take the left side, put it through the white bead, and I'm going to put 2 on the right side, make a loop, and pull the thread through the loop. Now I'm going to continue making this, but I'm not going to make the full circle. I'm going to make approximately until here, and I'm going to turn and continue this way. Let me check how many exactly I need to make. So I need to make 32 crosses. I already made 2, so I'm still missing 30. I'm going to come back and show you how to turn on the second row. We're going to make 2 rows in total. Now I finished 31 crosses, so I'm going to show you how to turn to the next row. I'm going to put the left fishing line into the bead on the base. I had to change the thread, so that's why it's a bit wonky. I'm going to put two beads on the left fishing line, to complete the 32nd cross. And I'm going to put now again 3 beads on the left thread. So again, 1, 2, 3. Put it through the fishing line, and I'm making the cross. Now I'm going to start the second row. So I'm going to pull the thread on the left through the bead from the previous row, as usual. And now we put 2 beads on the right, make a loop and put the left side through the loop. And that's how we continue to the second row. This is what we get when we finish 2 rows of the back plus the bottom and the sides. I'm going to make a base, just the base without the bottom, and I'm going to show you how to attach the second oh, not the base, it's called side. How to attach the second circle to this one. So I put the second side on top. It doesn't matter like the position because it's obviously circular, but just make sure that you match where the two beads are, kind of. So I'm positioning these two together, but I kind of like to position them where the two beads are close to each other, like to match this. So yeah, that's how I will do it. And I'm going to put one bead on the left. Like we have thread coming out of the second row here, as if we're turning on the third row, but I'm putting one on the left. I'm putting the left thread through the bead here on the, like, the left one of the two that are paired kind of together. And I'm going to put again one bead on the left side, make a loop, and pull the second thread through that loop. So now we are going to sew these together. So I'm going to put the left through the next bead. I'm going to put the left through the next bead on the left side. I don't know how to call it, like upper side on this view. And the bottom through the bottom. One bead as well. And now I'm going to put one bead on one of the threads, doesn't matter which one, make a loop and connect. Now I'm going to continue. I'm going to put this through this bead, this through this bead, and make one here, as if like the same way I did here. And I'm going to continue until I reach the second end, and I'm going to show you how to finish. Now I've reached the last cross, and I'm just going to put the bottom fishing line through the next side. And I'm going to put the bead on the same, then make a loop. I'm going to make the loop here actually. So I'm putting the fishing line back through this bead, and I'm going to put the second thread through that loop and pull. Now I'm going to put the thread through the beads and tie the knot somewhere here, hide the ends inside the beads, and it's gonna be it.